is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel, and it's day 5 of Diwali 2020. And when I asked you guys on Instagram that what all you want to see in the upcoming episodes of Diwali, you guys requested for a Diwali makeup tutorial, outfit related video, and a Diwali spa day. Diwali makeup tutorial already जा चुका है, I think on the 3rd day of the Diwali, and Diwali outfit almost ready है, and here I am with Diwali spa day / DIY glow up. And basically I'm going to prep my skin, my hair, my entire body for Diwali, and I do that every year pre-festival, and this kind of is a pamper thing for me and makes the festival real good for me. And this entire year has been a real problematic one for each one of us, so I think festivals are the best way to sort of pamper ourselves and to escape from all the problems of the year. So please go ahead and give yourself a spa sort of. So without further ado, let's get started. Now for the glow up day, one ingredient that I'm going to stick on is yogurt, be it for my hair, for my skin, or for my body. Yogurt, that is dahi, you all know, is an amazing thing to deeply moisturize. It has a property to for deep moisturizing, and the moisture in which we are right now, I feel is kind of stealing away all the moisture. So let's start out with the hair pack. I have taken a bowl of yogurt and I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel to it. As you know, both of them are really helpful in adding that luster to the hair and also treats hair damage. And I'm using natural aloe vera gel straight from the plant, and I've grinded it. I am going to rub it on my scalp and also on the hair ends and throughout the hair length. After that, I'm going to tie a bun and will leave it for 1.5 to 2 hours. Till then, let's move on to the next DIY, that is body scrub using yogurt. For the body scrub, I am taking a bowl of yogurt and we are adding water soaked, dried and grinded rice, not finely grinded, as we are making a scrub out of it. On top of it, I'm going to add a tablespoon of honey to the paste. This paste acts real good as a scrub. I will also use it on my face. So we are going to start out with scrubbing on the face, and I'm going to use it with soft hands. I'm going to scrub really softly because you know our skin is really sensitive as compared to the body. So yeah. This scrub works both the ways. After applying it on my face, I am going to apply it on my entire body. Scrub it gently on your body, elbows, neck, and leave it for 5 to 7 minutes straight. And the next step is face pack. Now for DIY face pack, I am taking a bowl of besan and going to add a big tablespoon of yogurt. Lastly, I'm going to squeeze half a lemon and mix it thoroughly. I want thick consistency, so this much is enough. Going to mix it a lot and the face pack is ready. I have washed off the scrub from my face and it's squeaky clean, soft and plump. Now I'm going to apply a face pack with my fingers only. And we are all done with the face pack. Let's wait for 15 to 20 minutes to let it dry, and I just hate this process.
After taking shower, you can see the results. My clear scalp and my hair feels so soft, nourished than before. Skin is all plump and soft. I feel I'm all prepped for Diwali. Try it out, guys. This was amazing experience.
So that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. Giveaway details, Diwali giveaway details in the description box. Do check it out, and I'm really excited. And also, I'll announce the results on the last day of Diwali. That is on day 8. Do keep a check on my community. I'm going to post the name of the winners on the community, and I'm super excited for that. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down, and let me know what all you want me to come up with in the next episodes of Diwali. And follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is _Alisha180_. And please subscribe to this channel. I love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.